Sagittarius, hi! Welcome to Mystic Queen PH. At ito ang inyong monthly reading for April 2026. This is a general reading. Pwede kayong makarelate, pwedeng hindi. Just take what resonates. Another reminder, I will not message you or follow you para mag-offer ng services. So mag-ingat kayo sa mga fake accounts and scammers. So kung gusto niyo ng private reading, just go to my website, mysticqueenph.com. Hindi niyo na kailangang i-message ako. Okay? Or kung gusto nyong mas madali, go straight sa calendar. Merong link sa description or sa comment section. Okay. Sagittarius. What's the energy? April 2026. Pisces energy. So this is a spiritual energy. So some of you may have spiritual awakening or mas patatatagin mo yung instinct mo, intuition mo. Or you will realize na malakas pala yung instinct mo, yung intuition mo. Because meron kang mga realization or matutuklasan, mga bagay na hindi siya nakikita or hindi pa siya nagmamanifest, but you feel that it is happening or it is really there. Something like that. Okay? So, some of you, pwede kayong, interested sa spirituality, tarot, astrology, or any divination. Now, Ceres energy is about nurturing, taking care of yourself, taking care of the people that you love. So, I think mas magkakaroon ka ng oras at panahon ngayon sa mga mahal mo sa buhay. This is also about focusing on what matters, yung importante sa'yo. Kasi iba-iba naman tayo ng binibigyan ng importansya sa buhay. So, whatever is important sa'yo, you will nurture that and take care of that. You also have energy ng Gemini, which is being curious. Yung iba sa inyo, may mga new friends, new connections ngayong April. You may be learning a new skill, learning a new information, or meron kang i-explore anything that you are interested in, especially in spirituality or belief system. Let's see what else. You have the Page of Wands. Going on an adventure, exploration. Pwedeng may travel opportunities for you. You also have the Empress, the Six of Swords. So, the Empress is productivity. So, mas magiging productive ka, marami kang kayang gawin, marami kang kayang i-fulfill, especially if this is related to your job, your career. Kasi mas magiging productive ka. The Empress is also about abundance, money. Okay? So, pwedeng meron kang bagong i-explore na pwede mo siyang pagkakakitaan. Oo. Na ito yung inaaral mo. Ito yung sinusubukan mo at nararamdaman mo, ito ay magbibigay sa'yo ng success. Oo, totoo naman. Magiging successful ka dyan. You're moving to a new direction, which is about transformation. Meron ditong growth and expansion. You have the Devil. So, takpan lang natin, baka ma-censor na naman. Mag-ingat lang sa temptation sa paligid mo. Oo, kasi may mga times na nagpapadala ka sa temptation or anything na unhealthy sa'yo. Alam mong hindi makakabuti, pero sige pa rin. Siyempre, yan? Subjective, no? Iba't ibang bawal sa iba't ibang tao. And also, pwede rin yung iba sa inyo, you are finally realizing. Meron kang realization na ito pala hindi nakakabuti sa akin. Hindi ko na to dapat gawin, hindi ko na to dapat i-explore. Di ko na to dapat ipagpatuloy, ganon. Now, the Queen of Wands is someone who knows his or her worth, no? So, yung, kumbaga, ikaw, alam mo yung halaga mo sa buhay. Alam mo yung kakayanan mo. And, some of you, kayo ay aalis sa isang toxic situation. Toxic relationship. Toxic career. That's why, there is a transformation here. May change na nangyayari. May endings and new beginnings for you. Revisit. Symbiosis. And habit. Okay, yeah. Ito yung sinasabi kong habit ninyo na you are going to try, no? You will try na not actually try, pwedeng ita-try, pwedeng hindi. But it's like realizing what is, kung ano yung habit sa buhay mo na alam mong hindi na siya nakakatulong, no? Sa yung growth, kumbaga. This is like self-reflection. Okay? Symbiosis can also mean like relationships, mutualism, connection with other people. So, kung ano lang yung nagwo-work para sa'yo, yun yung ikikip mo. Kung ano yung nakakatulong sa'yo, ano yung nakakabuti sa'yo, yun yung ikikip mo. Yun yung hahayaan mo magstay sa buhay mo. Pero kung hindi na to nakakatulong sa'yo, you're going to let that go. Pwede kasing meron kang mga, unhealthy habits that needs to go. Kailangan mo na i-release. Think first before you judge. Yes. This is, nagkakaroon ka ng mas malawak na pananaw sa buhay, mas malawak na, pangunawa, kumbaga. You're becoming more understanding. It comes with time and practice. So, maaring ngayong April, yung mga insecurities mo or yung mga bagay na sa tingin mo hindi mo kaya, yun yung susubukan mong gawin. Kasi gusto mong patunayan sa sarili mo na kaya mo. Na na hindi ka na natatakot sa unknown or hindi ka na natatakot sa mga bagay na sa tingin mo hindi makakabuti sa'yo. Parang ganon. So, for example, bungee jumping. Nakakatakot naman talaga yun, di ba? Pero alam mo rin yung kakayanan mo na why not try something na nung una, dati kinakatakot mo, ngayon you want to try it. Something like that, okay? Na yun yung magbo-boost ng confidence mo. So, that is your reading, Sagittarius. Thank you so much. See you again.